Bonjour! Do you know how to say this and that and these and those in French? Well, today let's have a look at demonstrative adjectives in French. So, before we start, we have only one word to say this or that, and we have only one word to say these or those. So, when I talk about something like this, I also mean something like that. It makes no difference to us French people. Let's have a look at how to say this in French, okay? As you can imagine, it is not as straightforward as in English. In English, you're talking about something like this lamp, you're talking about this television. But in French, you have to consider a few things. Like I pointed out, it is all about the noun. So is it a feminine noun? Is it a masculine noun? Is it a feminine plural, masculine plural, and so on? Does it start with a vowel? Does it start with an H? And so on. Let's have a look at what they are in French. This, when using a masculine word, is ce, C-E, or cet, C-E-T. Now, you use ce when the word is masculine and does not have a vowel or an H, but you would use cet, C-E-T, when the word is masculine but begins with an H or a vowel. So, for example, we could say this cat. We would say ce chat, ce chat. And we know it is ce because chat is masculine. It doesn't begin with a vowel. It doesn't begin with an H. But when you say this animal, you would say cet animal, okay? And you do that because animal begins with a vowel, and animal is masculine. This, when using a feminine word, is cet, C-E-T-T-E, no matter whether the word begins with an H or a vowel. Have a look at these examples. Cette porte, this door. Cette armoire, this wardrobe. As you can see, armoire begins with a vowel, but because it's feminine, we still add C-E-T-T-E in front of it. Okay? When you want to say these and those, it's the same in French. We say c'est, C-E-S, no matter what gender it is and no matter what gender is the word, okay? So always use c'est when you want to use a demonstrative adjective and put a word in its plural form, quite simply. So all the words I've just mentioned here, c'est chat, C-E-S, chat with an S, c'est porte, ces armoires. As you can see, I'm using exactly the same words, but we are not taking into consideration whether here they are feminine or masculine. They're just plural. And that's quite good in some way. You don't have to take in consideration, is it plural, feminine? Is it masculine, plural? No, it's plural. So, ce chat becomes ces chats in its plural form. All you need to do is add an S at chat. Porte, which means door, c'est porte. Now, chat is masculine and porte is feminine, but it doesn't matter here because we put it into its plural form. Ces armoires, and again, armoire begins with a vowel, but we still see C-E-S. We say ces armoires, okay? Now, we make the liaison between ces and armoire, ces armoires, because armoire begins with a vowel, okay? So as you can see, the difficulty here is finding the right gender of each word in order to find the right demonstrative adjectives, okay? Now, this comes with practice. In order to do that, we're going to have a list of words here, and I would like you to try to see, is the word feminine? Is the word masculine? Does it begin with a vowel? Is it feminine? Does it begin with a vowel, but is it masculine? And so on, in order to have the right demonstrative adjective. Now remember, ce is for masculine, cet, C-E-T, is for masculine beginning with a vowel on H, cet, C-E-T-T-E, is for feminine, and C, C-E-S, no matter what, it's for plural. The list you're about to see here has no gender, okay? I didn't put le or la. I want you to try to work it out by yourselves, okay? Guess. If you do not know, guess. If you know, even better, okay? But it doesn't matter. It all comes with practice. Now, remember to have a look at the end of the word as well. Does it have an S? Is it plural? Now have a look at this word here. Arbre. That means tree. Fenêtre. That means window. Porte. This means doors. Ordinateur. That's computers. Ami. That's friends. It has an E at the end, or it's likely to be feminine. Journal. That's newspaper. Couteau. That is knife. So you've got the list of the words here. Can you take a minute and try to guess which demonstrative adjective you put before these words? Now remember, ce, cet, C-E-T, cet, C-E-T-T-E, and c'est. Okay, just try to do it quite quickly. It's okay if you don't have a pen or paper. Just think, okay, well, I know that this one has an S at the end, so it's likely to be plural, so I put blah, blah, and so on. If you want, you can stop the tape now. The tape, oh my God, what are we in 1980? You can stop the video and come back to me in 1 minute. Okay. So let's have a look at my answer, okay? Arbre. Arbre, believe it or not, is a masculine word. So we know it's masculine, but it also begins with a vowel. So what demonstrative adjective are we going to use? We want to say this tree, remember? It is cet, C-E-T, cet arbre, because it sounds good. Cet arbre, okay? We can't say ce arbre, though the word is masculine. It doesn't sound as good. Have a look at the word fenêtre, this window. Fenêtre. Now, fenêtre is feminine. Now, if you stopped the video and you went back and looked for the gender of each word, then you would know it is feminine, okay? Now, cette fenêtre, C-E-T-T-E, would be the right demonstrative adjective. Porte. Now, porte here has an S, so it's likely to be plural. Now, sometimes words come with an S. It doesn't often happen. But in that case, it's porte, it's a normal plural, and therefore you want to say these doors. And that will be C, C-E-S. Ordinateur, that's computer, but it has an S, so it's computers. So we want to say these computers. So you would say ces ordinateurs. Ami. Ami has an E at the end, so I know it is a girl friend. So we would say cet ami, C-E-T-T-E, ami, cet ami. Journal, that's newspaper. This newspaper, it's masculine, so we say ce journal, this newspaper. And what about couteau? Couteau is masculine, well done. Couteau is masculine, so therefore we say ce couteau, this knife, okay? You can just say, oh, but I don't know whether they're feminine, masculine, and plural, and whatever. Well, you have to, because if you do not give me the right demonstrative adjective, the chances that I would probably understand what you're saying, but it would sound wrong to my French ear, okay? Let's have a look at a small sentence here. This chair is red. How would you translate this? This chair is red. How would you translate this other sentence? I like these flowers. I like these flowers. This dog is black and white. This dog is black and white. And how would you say, we carry this animal? Now, as you can see that we have this, okay, we have these as well. Now, bear in mind that if you wanted to translate by that or those in French, it's exactly the same. We use the same demonstrative adjectives, just the one I've just taught you. How would you say this chair is red? And where's the difficulty here? Indeed, you've got to think, well, how to say chair in French? And what gender is it? Chair in French is chaise. And it's feminine. So therefore, it would be cette chaise and then est rouge. Okay? How would you do? I like these flowers. J'aime ces fleurs. It's quite easy here because you know that no matter what gender, it is ces, C-E-S. J'aime ces fleurs. I like these flowers. Now, this dog is black and white. This dog. Dog is masculine, so it's ce. It begins with a normal consonant. Ce chien. Ce chien et noir et blanc. And for the last one, we carry this animal. Now, the difficulty here for you might be how to say we carry. We is nous. Porter is to carry. But when you use nous, you have to have ONS at the end of the verb. So, nous portons cet animal. Now, we've seen that during the lesson is animal begins with a vowel and is masculine. So, therefore, it is C-E-T, cet animal. Okay, that's it for the demonstrative adjectives. I hope you've learned a little bit more about these. There you go. There is a support guide available at learnfrenchwithalexa.com that comes with this lesson. And why don't you leave a comment? Leave your example. I'd love to read them. And subscribe to Learn French with Alexa, my YouTube channel. That's it for me. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous.